Na Coillte.
Bhí na páistí hiúlóid dúlra Na Coillte. Bhí mála droma gachtainna. Bhí mappa agus camera acu freisin. Chonaic ruairí ire.
Bígí ciún. Achoo!
Rith an tire nós na gaotha.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cá raibh na páistí. Ceiste dó. Cad a bhí gach duine. Ceiste trí. An raibh mappa agus camera acu. Ceiste cathair. An bhaca ruairí siúnach.
Okay, Na Coillte means the woods. So, bhí na páistí hiúlóid dúlra Na Coillte. So, bhí means was. The children were. Bhí na páistí hiúlóid. On a walk, and what sort of walk? A hiúlóid dúlra. So, dúlra is nature. So, bhí na páistí hiúlóid dúlra on a nature walk Na Coillte in the woods. Bhí mála droma gach duine. So a mála droma. Your droma is your back and a mála is a bag. So a mála for your bag is a backpack. Bhí mála droma gach duine on everybody. Everybody had a backpack. Bhí mappa agus camera acu freisin. Just like the English words, mappa is a map, camera a camera, and they had them freisin means two. They had a map and camera too. Okay, so what happened? Well, the leader is saying, Bígí ciún, be quiet. Chonaic ruairí ire. Ruairí saw an ire. An ire is a squirrel. But what happened? Achoo! Somebody sneezed. And ri an tire nós na gaotha. The squirrel ran. Ri means ran. Nós na gaotha. Like the gaotha, like the wind. So the squirrel ran like the wind. He ran away. Now let's have a look at the questions. And we can start off by putting our title and page number up the top. So, Ceiste hain, question 1. Cá raibh na páistí. Where were the páistí? Where were the children? And because it says rev, which is in the past tense, we have to start off with V, which is the answer. Bhí na páistí. The children were hiúlóid dúlra on a nature walk Na Coillte in the woods. Ivre dó. Number 2. Cá de bhí gach duine. What was on everybody? And of course, bhí, start off with the verb, bhí mála droma. There was a backpack gach duine on everybody. Ceiste 3. An raibh mappa agus camera acu. Did they have a map and a camera? And the answer is, of course, bhí mappa agus camera acu. And Ceiste cathair, question 4. An whaca ruairí siúnach. An whaca. So did Ruairí see a siúnach? Did he see a fox? There's two answers to an whaca. You can say chonaic, which means saw, or ní oca, which means didn't see. So what's the answer? Well, ní oca ruairí siúnach. Ruairí didn't see a siúnach. He didn't see a fox. Then we're going to put the right answer in. What did he see? Well, chonaic ruairí ire. Ruairí saw an ire. He saw a squirrel. He saw an ire rua, which is a red squirrel, if you want to put that in. Well done, everyone.